Hello everyone, it's time for another unboxing video. This one comes from Jesse in Oklahoma, a fellow YouTuber whose channel I will post a link to in the description of this video. He's got a very neat layout and he has his own theme music. How cool is that? So he was kind enough to send me this box without any prompting or anything from me. I appreciate that. And I have no idea what's in it, so it's as much a surprise for me as it is for you. So without further ado, let's open it and see what's inside. Wow, this thing is loaded. For your auto carrier, Sean sent this. I hope they fit. Wow, that is great. In fact, I have my auto carrier set up on the layout, and these sure will fit, and they also work on the layout. So I appreciate these very much. Thank you. We have, I believe it's an Atlas Texaco tanker. We have another one. This is a smaller one. This is the one by Lifelike, I believe. My hands can't figure out. Okay, it's another Lifelike Texaco tanker. My dad, by the way, worked most of his career for Continental Oil Company, also known as Conoco, in Lafayette. So I've got an affinity for these. I got a bunch of Conoco tankers, so I have affinity for these tankers. So thank you very much. All right. We got a billboard reefer here for Dairymans, which I definitely like. I love these billboard reefers. And we had a large number of dairy farms in the very area where I live. Sadly, they're slowly disappearing, but this definitely fits my area, so I appreciate it. Another one. Here's the logo for Jesse and Oklahoma Railroad. And once again, I'll include a link to his YouTube channel. I highly recommend it. I also want to take a moment to thank Sean for connecting me and Jesse. Appreciate you guys both very much. It's nice to have internet friends like y'all. I appreciate it. So thank you again, Jesse, very much for your generosity, and thank you all for watching.